Alright guys, so there's been a lot of people asking for updates on the regular cab shortbed truck, and I guess it finally is after waiting so long. We still haven't forgot about it, it's just we've been busy with other stuff, but I finally got it back from where I was getting it painted at. My cousin painted it, but I took it over to his place and left it there, and I hadn't had a chance to go get it. I finally went and got it, but here it finally is. We color matched the chrome on the grill, so it's kind of blacked out, and then color matched the bumper. This still needs to be painted because I didn't have that, but I just painted. We put the black paint, but we're gonna have to redo it anyways. But it's pretty much gonna be color matched the same, so it'll be like shiny black. And then the upper part of the bumper was also the light just kicked on, as you can see. But we color matched the upper piece there, but when we were towing it, since we have this stuff in the back of the truck, couldn't really see back, and you have a big corner of the flatbed sticking out here, and you pretty much know what happened there, as you can see. This wanted to get closer to this, and that happened. But pretty much I have these black headlights I threw on there just because I had them laying around, so it kind of gives it that blacked out look. So let me know what you guys think about those, or if I should just get regular clear headlights. Let me know in the comment section. Still need to put the mirrors on, door handles on, all that's inside the truck. We also painted the door jambs. Let's see if I can pop the door open a bit to show you. It's kind of hard to see in there, but they're color matched also. Color matched. We painted them also. And the truck's extremely dirty right now. That's why it looks dirty, obviously. But once I get a chance, I'll wash it and then make another video. Probably once I start putting the motor in. It's just since it's been cold lately, I don't really want to wash it yet to give the paint like, I don't know, a good month to cure good, just for safety. And then that rev strip there, we didn't bother painting that because the black caps that go on the top are gonna cover it. So we probably could have, but I mean, I guess we kind of forgot, but then we realized at the end, and then since the caps go there, it doesn't really matter. Now I'm gonna get the back side of the tailgate here color matched, so that's why that didn't get painted. And then I need to get the black cap that goes on here too. And then I'm gonna get the newer style taillights, like the ones, let me see here. I have them on this truck. This style of taillight for it, which is the correct one for that front clip there. So yeah, let me know also if I should do the blacked out look, if I should get black ones, or if I should just get red ones and clear headlights, or if I should stick with black headlights and get blacked out taillights, but that other style. And then we also color matched the rear bumper. The plastics, we just left them stock, but we just took them off, color matched the bumper, and then put them back on. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this update. As you can see, it's all black. That is just this plastic bag that kind of got like there was a plastic bag hanging out, and then we had the truck inside the shop in the heater, and it ended up like melting the bag to the truck. But I mean, it comes off. I just haven't had a chance to take it off all the way. I'll probably just like take off as much as I can and then just use a clay bar or whatever. Let's see, there it is. And let me show on the other side. So that's pretty much the update for this truck. And then this one, I finished doing the turbo. I just haven't had a chance to make another video, and I don't have the keys on me to show, but this truck is also done already. I got another motor for the truck now in here. It's that one there, it's hard to see, but it's a LQ9 6 liter, and it's a 04. And then I got this 4.8. This one's a 06, and it came out of an express van, so it got the, probably can't even see, but it's the 4L80. Got that combo. The 6 liter is gonna go in the truck. The 4.8, not sure yet. I just kind of bought that combo because it was cheap, so I figured why not. So yeah, there's the update for the truck. Like I said, just let me know in the comment section if I should do the blacked out look, or if I should get just like, or pretty much just let me know, like maybe comment, recommend what headlights I should get. Like I said earlier, I had these laying around, so I just tossed them on there. And thanks for watching. And I have some pictures I'll probably insert here at the end, or maybe insert them like between or whatever.